Wagwan my peeps, welcome back to my channel, The Lone Soldier. I'm Ricardo. Yeah man, and it's another episode my people. And you don't know, we have enough information to shoot out. Big up yourself on another stronging, Enjoy yourself, relax, and spend some time with your family and kids, Yeah, big up yourself. So right away we're going to jump in it. And our positive quote or line today come from the Bible. And it is from 2 Thessalonians 2 verses 3, and it says, "Let no one in any way deceive you, for it will not come unless the apostasy comes first, and the man of lawlessness is revealed, the son of destruction." Let me read that again. "Let no one in any way deceive you, for it will not come unless the apostasy comes first, and the man of lawlessness is revealed, the son of destruction." 2 Thessalonians 2 verses 3. Yeah man, powerful, don't it? Yeah man. Cause you don't know, that me there so I try to show you, say people, the evil different and the evil there a long time, and it is here for all of us. It is here to get out as much of us as possible, and if we start wake up to certain little things to try and understand what go on, you're not going to really get it. You understand? So as I say, we need to continue upon the pyramid. So in the first episode, I just give the basic look away with a sip on the US dollar, and just really the basic outline, right? But that one I'm going to go a little bit more in depth, and break it come right down to the bottom part, or down to the lower part, which part we the people them. Because I always say to you, we the way down on the pyramid, so enough of the things them we not even see or hear. What them really want we to see, we really see, and what them want we to hear. So now, please have a look at your screen. What do you see? Yes, people, this is the full breakdown. You understand? As I did show you, the first one, so the break off of the eye at the top. You understand? That signal Lucifer, which is the God where them a pray to. That is the reason why it break off and light up, because that is the deity, that is the power. You understand? And then coming down the line, you have the world monarch, which is the queen and the king and the pope. Queen, kings and pope. Them kind of people that are the world monarch. You understand? Then you have the Council of 13, the world's richest family. Council of 13, the world's richest family. And then you have the Committee of 300, the world's richest and most powerful sub-families. You understand? And then you have the think tanks, which is the round table, like the Char of Rome, the Bilderberg group, and them kind of people who we did point out from the first episode. As you can see, if you didn't watch it, you should go and check it out. And then you have World Financial Control, which is central banks, tax revenue, interest revenue, like the World Bank, for example, And then the World Resource Control, which is Jewish-owned corporations, like IBM, DuPont, Exxon Mobil, and them kind of people there. And then you have World Population Control down at the bottom, which is Jewish government's control, CIA intelligence community, which is the Jews, military, police, courts, prison, religions, media. As I did show you, the media did own buyout by 6 companies, Viacom, Disney, etc. Schools, as I show you, school play a big part in the brainwash. Also, religion play a big part. Religion play a big part in the brainwash too as well. You understand? So, and then where it come down to now, population, normal workers, which is us. You see how far down the pyramid we there? And we support the whole of them things up there, so we got jail. We build the police, we build military, we got court. You understand? We got the churches, them, and we watch them TV. You see it set out in our line? You understand? This was the best one we couldn't get, trust me. You understand? Because you have a lot of them, but this one was the best one where, you can get a full layout. You can get a full layout of what go on and see it for yourself. So bring up your screen, have a look at it. Yeah, man. So a powerful thing, my friend. This thing has been around for a very long time and for a whole heap of years. I remember, say, from the beginning of time, from when Adam and Eve get fall out, come straight back in the people. This thing has been around. This thing know more about the earth and everything than me and you would ever dream of in our short lifespan. Because when I show you that is another thing where people get wrong. We always believe so we have time, which we don't have time. Me and you can go to bed tonight and I get up tomorrow morning. That's what we say. So now is a time where you have to find out them things you want to go on for yourself. You understand? Yeah, man. And this me I try to do my people. I don't sure if you can see over the other side, but you have some of the 13. You have the 13 families over the other side, which is the secret government. I say if I can call out couple of them for you. Number 1, you have the Astar family. Number 2, you have the Bundy family. Number 3, you have the Collins family. Number 4, you have the DuPont. Number 5, you have the Kennedy. Number 7, you have the Lee, which is Chinese. Number 8, you have the Onassis. Number 9, you have the Rockefeller. Number 10, you have the Rothschild. Number 11, you have the Russell. Number 12, you have Van Damme. And number 13, you have the, Micro G. And it's kind of hard to call, trust me. But what I really want to show you is that when I go focus on for the rest of the time, at the Pope. You understand? Because you realize him come exactly after the Lucifer, after the entity, after the eye. And them come right exactly after, because the Pope has been around for years. And a lot of people don't realize that the Antichrist not only consists of a person, it's a system, and the Pope system has been remember I show you in the Independence video, and they say a Pope Innocente did pass the world war against black people, worldwide, you understand? And the Pope did give so much trouble that the great man Napoleon did have to send some people to capture him and take him away and go lock him up. You understand? I may have that right here, so to read for you too. Napoleon did have to send some of him finest people to go capture him and take him away. Yeah, man, too much problem the man did a cause. So if he was a good person, why would he have to go and lock him up? You understand? Or why would he have to go and capture him? You understand? So I'm going to read out a piece of the article for you. I'll leave the link in the description. You can read it for yourself if you're interested. Alright, my peeps. Here we go. Between the hours of 2 and 3 on the morning of July 6, 1909, French troops under the order of Napoleon Bonaparte scaled the walls of the gardens of the Quirinal Palace in Rome and penetrated into the part of the palace occupied by papal servants. After an hour of violent skirmishes with the Swiss guards, they arrested Pope Pius VII, spiriting him away in the night to Savona near Genoa. He would not return to Rome for another 5 years. The kidnapping was the climax of a combative relationship between the global leader of the capital church, you hear that? Global leader, and the brash empire from the beginning of Pius papacy in 1800. The fall of the Napoleon in 1815, the two men were continually at loggerheads with the French military leader, regularly infuriated by the Pope's refusal to meet his demands. But it wasn't the first time such thing had happened. In 1796, during the French Revolutionary Wars, Napoleon's troops had invaded Rome and taken previous Pinta Pope Pius VI as prisoner to France, where he died in 1799. The following year, after the papal seat sat vacant for 6 months, Cardinal Chicomonte was elected to the papacy, taking the name Pius VII. But because the French had seized the papal terriers when they had arrested Pius VI, the new pope wasn't crowned on March 21, 1800 with a papier of macheteria, meaning supreme power. You know? So what more can I add to that? You understand? It say him and Napoleon did continually at loggerheads. You understand? Napoleon a military, and this man is supposed to be serving God, but a be a madness the man did a go out and a piss off the man. And through him was world leader, it did kinda hard to get to him and hard to get him to stop do certain things. So what the man did have to do? Go capture him, send man in him place like a literal fight. As you can clearly see if you go capture him, and only them alone. You know, more than one time it do it. You understand? As I will show you, that them was rumored to be behind the French Revolution war in the first place as well. You understand? So you can see say Napoleon did frustrated. You understand? So yeah man, and this has been the part 2 of the Illuminati Pyramid. You understand? I hope you do get something from this, and as I say, you can check out the information, check out the pyramid. You have other videos on YouTube where people are talking about it. If you don't totally get it from me, you can even go and look for it yourself and come back here and give me a comment and say no, Ray, you know. Yeah man, and thank you for the support again, you know. Remember to like, share, and if you're new here, please subscribe. I understand. This has been the Lone Soldier. I am Ricardo.